Hello, welcome to the Daily Message. As you can see, I'm wearing something around my shoulder. About 3.5 weeks ago, I had surgery to repair a torn rotator cuff. So, I'm healing well, and it's going to be a few weeks until I can start physical therapy, but everything is fine. So, yesterday was Flag Day, and I didn't speak about Flag Day because, of course, it was Sunday and it was the Feast of Corpus Christi. But I want to offer just a few words about Flag Day, and in particular about the significance of our flag. When I think about our flag, two phrases come to mind. One of them is one of our country's mottos, E pluribus unum. It's a Latin phrase, of course, and what it means is from many, one. That sums up our situation as Americans today. We represent many different races, ethnic groups, nationalities, faith groups, ages, all kinds of differentiations. And yet, because we are all Americans, we are truly one. And I'm also reminded of some phrases in our Pledge of Allegiance. We say when we pledge allegiance that we are one nation. We are not many, we are one. We are 50 states, but we are one nation. We are under God. In other words, we are faithful to God as we understand God to be. We are indivisible. The social fabric of our nation is frayed at this moment, as we all know. And so it's important to remember that as a nation, we are indivisible. We should not be divided. We should remain united with one another. And finally, that there is liberty and justice for all. Liberty is a reminder of our individual rights as Americans. Justice is a reminder of our duty to provide for all of our fellow countrymen and women. And so I offer those little reflections today as we celebrate one day late Flag Day. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful Monday.